A Minute to Win It is a series of high-energy tabletop group activities using everyday household items and office supplies. After a fun demo and practice session, each challenge is played and teams are scored accordingly.
Go all Dizzy Gillespie on it.
Great for daytime team building or after dinner entertainment, this fast-paced event will have everyone laughing, cheering, and vying to become a Minute to Win It champions. After an energizing kickoff, your group will be divided into sub-teams and assigned to an activity station. Multiple rounds are played using a 3-step system of demo, practice, and competition.
And your job is to build the tallest tower in 5 minutes.
No. There we go. So, Micah, you gotta do it.
Teams are constantly engaged and focused on continuous improvement in an attempt to maximize their score. Examples of challenges may include backflip, tossing and catching an ever-increasing number of pencils, moving on up, a fun cup stacking activity, card speed, a race to put a shuffled deck of cards in a specific sequence, and more. Our unique scoring system keeps the energy flowing and the teams in the thick of the competition throughout the entire event.
You got it. Nice.
This is one of our most competitive team building events and works as a perfect addition to any corporate or social gathering or as a standalone activity. The program finishes with an exciting award ceremony in which individual challenge winners are announced, leading to the overall gold medal, a Minute to Win It champions.